Crops grown in Pakistan are of two types: food crops and cash crops. Among food crops, we have two categories: Kharif crops and Rabi crops. First, we will discuss Kharif crops. Rice grows well in warm places that have plenty of moisture, means a lot of water. The Iri, Basmati, and Desi varieties of rice are grown in Punjab and Sindh. The best among these is Basmati, which is mostly exported to Middle East. Pakistan is the fifth largest rice exporter in the world. Maize is another Kharif crop. It is also known as corn. It is mainly used for feeding animals or producing corn oil. Millets, they can grow in poor soil with very little water. They are mainly used for growing to feed birds and animals. Their main crops are jowar and bajra. Rabi crops. Wheat is our staple food, which is used in our diet on a daily basis. Most of the farmed area in Pakistan is taken up by wheat, and wheat does not need a lot of rainfall. Pulses, they are a very good source of protein. They provide us with a lot of energy. There are different kinds of pulses which are grown in Pakistan, like masoor, moong, and mash, and they grow well in sandy soil. Oil seeds. These oil seeds are grown in many areas, but we do not produce enough oil for our needs, and still we have to import edible oil to change it into cooking oil and ghee. Cash crop, a crop produced for its commercial value, means which can be sold to other countries and money is earned. Among them is first one is cotton, and it is one of the leading exports. The main cotton growing areas are southeast Punjab and parts of Sindh. Cotton textiles form the largest industry in Pakistan, which employs about 40% of the industrial workforce. Sugarcane, it gives us sugar and jaggery, means gur. The sugar industry is one of the largest industries in Pakistan. It is an important source of income and employment for the community. Tobacco, it is also an important cash crop. As foreign exchange is being earned, it is being sold to other countries, and it is grown in Mardan and Peshawar. But we all know smoking is injurious to health. It creates a lot of health problems. Livestock, farm animals which are reared as an asset, means their different products are used for earning money. Now, Pakistan is one of the world's largest milk producers, 2/3 of which comes from buffaloes. So we get meat also from buffaloes, cows, and goats and sheep. We use their wool and skin as well for making different products. Apart from meat, milk, fat, butter, cheese, and ghee is also being exported from Pakistan to other countries. Leather goods are also being sold to other countries, which are being made from the skin of the animals. Then the woolen shawls and blankets, they are also being exported. Then Pakistan has very famous handmade carpets. They also earn a good foreign exchange for the country. So carpets are one of our leading export item. I hope this gives you a brief account of crops and agriculture in Pakistan.